Hello students, welcome back. And today we are going to continue with our chapter, that is nationalism in Europe. Europe. Today we are going to discuss about the French Revolution and the idea of a nation. About the French Revolution and the idea of nation, the next topic of our book. Yesterday I gave you the introduction of the chapter. An image was there that was created by the Frederick Sérieux, and what was there in that, it was showing the Statue of Liberty, and the people of different countries were carrying their flag, and there were the scattered remaining scattered on the ground. And what was there, this was the symbol of the end of the monarchy system. Right. So in this video we are going to continue with the French Revolution and the idea of a nation. The French Revolution and the idea of nation. The students, those who have read about the French Revolution in the class 9, this topic is going to be very easy for them. Those who have read that chapter very properly, right? So now it is going to be very easy for those students. Right. So let's start the French Revolution and the idea of nation. What was there in the French Revolution? French Revolution, first clear expression of nationalism. What was there in Europe? In Europe, what was there? That there were the rule of a monarch. There were the rule of a monarch. So what happened there in the France? In the France, what happened? First clear expression means first the people of France, they raised their voice against the monarch of France. Against the monarch of France. They were the first people, those who raised their voice against the monarch in the France in 1789. Then what happened? This voice that was raised by the French people, this voice spread in the other part of the Europe. I told you about the utopian vision of the Frederick Sérieux. What was the utopian vision of the Frederick Sérieux? The utopian vision of the Frederick Sérieux was that he wanted the Europe independent from the despotism. He was wanting the Europe independence from the despotic ruler. So France was the first place where the people raised their voice against the monarch. So the first clear expression of nationalism was there in France in 1789. 14 July 1789 it was there. Second, what was the French Revolution and the idea of nation? Idea of nation means earlier what was there, the French society was divided into three categories. The first state, second state and third state. They were divided into different states. They were considering themselves as separate. They were thinking themselves as separate. So what was there? They attained the independence. They attained the independence after the revolution, but what happened? The people, the thing was there, they have to create the nation. How to create the nation? When people feel collective with each other. So the sense of collective identity. There was the task now to create the sense of collective identity among the French people. Because earlier these people were divided into three categories. First state, second state and the third state. Right. So now this was the time to create the common identity for all the people. So what they did? We read in the chapter nationalism in India. I told you the last topic was there, the sense of collective belonging. What was there? The things that whatever things we have done in India, same kind of things they were doing in France. But the place was different, the way were different, but the thing they were doing and Indians were doing, that were the same. So what the French people did, they did the idea of la partie and the lo citoyen. what was there, like we are saying motherland, they are saying fatherland, means they belong to the one, they all belong to the one land, that is France, la party, right? And another in means law citizen. La citizen means all are equal in the France, all are equal in the France, whether the first state, second state or the third state, now all people are belonging to the one country, that is France, right? So they gave this concept, la parties and the la citizen. Next thing, they introduced a new flag of France. Remember, recall that thing that we read in nationalism in India. Indians also gave the national flag for the Indian freedom, for the freedom of India. Same thing, they introduced the flag of France. Next, formation of National Assembly. What was there? Formation of National Assembly. Earlier, what was there? Earlier, what that the state generals were elected. There were election of the state general. Now, what was there? They removed the state general and there were common one National Assembly, that was the National Assembly. All people were, all three sections were there: first state, second state, and third state. Right. So next thing is there, new hymns were composed and oaths were taken. Those who died during the French Revolution, what happened? New songs were composed. Hymns means like mantras. New mantras were composed and oaths were taken. Shapat li gayi. Oaths means shapat. Right. So what was there to commemorate? Why it was did? It was there to commemorate the murder of the revolution. Murder means shaheed jo the, for the like for shaheed. A centralized system was introduced. A centralized system was introduced means all the country, all the people were ruled by one, that is a National Assembly. That is a National Assembly. Next thing was there, internal custom dues were removed. Earlier, what was there? Suppose this is France. Suppose this is France. So what was there earlier? Suppose this is France. Earlier, what was there? That this area, their separate dues, their separate tax, their separate tax, their separate tax. So what they were thinking, they were considering themselves as separate. They were considering themselves as separate. But now what happened? All the central duties, custom duties were removed and dues were removed. Now people were under the same rule. Now people were under the same rule. What is custom duty? Custom duty means when the things cross from one border to another border, from one state to another state, then tax levied on that, that is known as the custom duty. Now then what happened? Uniform system of weight and measurement were adopted. Earlier they were using the different methods of measuring the weight and measure the clothes. They were using the different method. And within France, now what was there? A common system was introduced. Regional dialects. Regional dialects were discouraged. What is dialect? Local languages. Local languages were discouraged and French were promoted. French language was promoted. Why regional dialects were discouraged? Because they want to create a nation. They want to create all. They want to assemble all the people under one umbrella. So that's why they discouraged the regional dialect as well as they promoted the French language. Next thing is French Revolutionary declared that it was the mission to liberate Europe. What was there? Those who did the French Revolution, those who raised their voice against the monarch in the France, they were saying that it was their duty, it is their duty to liberate Europe. Liberate means to create a Europe like that there were no rule of a monarch. There will be republic rule or a democratic rule. What is republic rule? Republic rule means where the head post of the country is not hereditary, it is elected. It is elected. So they carry that idea to abroad. What they did, they spread They spread the idea of liberalism or liberty. So not liberalism, of liberty. They spread the idea of liberty in other parts of the Europe like Holland, Belgium, Switzerland, and Italy. People were the monarch of these areas were in tension. The monarch of these areas were in tension. Why they were in tension? They were in tension because whatever is happening in France, because the people raise their voice against the monarchy system, so the monarch of these areas were in tension. That they think that is happening in France, the same kind of thing can be happen in our area too. So they are trying to help. They were trying to help France. But what happened? The French Revolution, the idea of French Revolution was spread to the other parts of the Europe. Then what happened? Students and other members of the educated middle class. I think you are able to recall that there were third state middle class people were there. Middle class people means those who were educated. Third state, those who were educated and like lawyers, teachers, they raised their voice and they started French Revolution. And student and other members of educated middle class setting up JC. JC means they were setting up Jacobean clubs. They were setting up Jacobean clubs and they raised their voice against the monarch. Now what happened? There was the entry of Napoleon Bonaparte. There is the entry of Napoleon Bonaparte. How the entry? Because he was the head of the army. Then what happened? What was there in France? Earlier, whose rule was there? Monarch. Then what happened? There was the National Assembly. Then what happened? There were directory. Then what happened? There were Napoleon Bonaparte. There was the rule of Napoleon Bonaparte. This is page number 5 of our book. This is whatever I have explained. This is page number 5 of our book. Read that page carefully and make the notes. I am telling you again and again, this is one of the most important chapter of history. So make the notes and keep that notes and keep on revising that notes. Right? This is page number 5. This was our lecture today. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, be healthy. Thank you.